Amazon has refreshed its Echo Show Smart Display lineup, releasing updated versions of both the compact Echo Show 5 and the larger Echo Show 8. While the second-gen models already offered great smart home hub functionality and Alexa capabilities, these latest iterations include some hardware upgrades for an even better user experience. In this comparison review, we'll look at what's new in the third-gen Echo Show 5 and Echo Show 8, how they stack up for features like screen quality, camera, speakers, and Alexa integration, as well as how they differ in terms of design, price, and overall utility. Let's find out which one is the better choice for your needs.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer Video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes Ten Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with Ten Studio today.
The most obvious difference between the two displays is the screen size. As the name suggests, the Echo Show 5 has a 5.5-inch display while the Echo Show 8 ups that to 8 inches. The compact 5.5-inch screen on the Echo Show 5 is great for use on a nightstand or desk. The small display takes up minimal space but still provides ample room for watching videos, reading notifications, controlling smart devices, and more. With the Echo Show 8, the larger 8-inch HD screen creates a more immersive viewing experience. The added real estate makes it better for watching movies and TV shows, video calling with family and friends, displaying recipes in the kitchen, controlling security cameras, and other tasks where screen size makes a difference. Both displays now also feature an infinity edge design that minimizes bezels for a more seamless look. The Echo Show 8's bigger screen size makes it better suited as a central smart home hub. For making video calls, the Echo Show 8 pulls ahead. It includes an upgraded 13-megapixel camera with an auto-framing and noise reduction capabilities. This keeps you well framed during video chats and minimizes background noise. The Echo Show 5 has a decent 5-megapixel camera that works fine for basic video calling needs, but the Echo Show 8's superior camera technology alongside the larger display provides a notably better video chat experience. Hands-free voice-activated calling via Alexa makes it easy to stay connected with friends and family on both devices. If you plan to use your smart display primarily for keeping in touch via video call, the Echo Show 8 is likely the better pick. For more casual use, the Echo Show 5 should suffice. Both the Echo Show 5 and Echo Show 8 come with full suite of Alexa capabilities as you'd expect from Amazon smart displays. Alexa allows you to get news/weather updates, control smart home devices, manage calendar appointments, set alarms, stream music, and more completely hands-free using your voice. Both the Echo Show 5 and Echo Show 8 run on Amazon's latest AZ2 Neural Edge processor. This improves Alexa's speech recognition, speed, and performance compared to prior generations. Also, the Echo Show 8 does have slightly more powerful speakers with Dolby audio processing for fuller sound, but Alexa functions comparably on both. The Echo Show 5 costs $84.99, while the Echo Show 8 retails for $129.99. So you're paying $45 more for the larger, upgraded Echo Show 8. Overall, the Echo Show 8 makes more sense if you want a smart display primarily for entertainment like streaming shows and movies, controlling security cameras, and making frequent video calls. The superior display and camera quality provide a better viewing experience. It's great as a central smart home hub, and for casual use like controlling smart devices, getting news updates, and making quick calls, the more affordable and compact Echo Show 5 is likely sufficient. Its smaller footprint makes it ideal as a smart alarm clock or desk companion. Both offer the full Alexa experience, but unless you really need the larger screen and better camera on the Echo Show 8, we recommend the Echo Show 5 as the best choice for most users. It delivers good value and utility at a lower price point. Either way, both Amazon smart displays are great additions to any smart home ecosystem. At the end of the day, screen size and video call needs should drive your buying decision between these two excellent Alexa-powered displays.